visit to your school. We have been campaigning about our programs in various schools, but this is our first visit to Beverly Hills School. We exchanged a few emails with Sanjay sir, and that is how we are here. So friends, I am going to speak to you for 5 minutes, and my talk is going to be about a group which students of your age and students slightly elder than you have been running in Dehradun. The name of the group is MAD, and the full name of the group is Making a Difference by Being the Difference. Friends, this is a group which we started on June 8, 2011. And when we started it, we did not know how is it that we are going to do something for the society. The only thing which we knew was that we are going to use our free time not in watching the Happy New Year movie, but in utilizing our Sunday to do something better for the society. So we held a meeting. In the meeting, there were various shades of opinion. The first shade of opinion was, let's do something for the environment of Doon. From there, we started something known as cleanup drives and awareness campaigns. What we started on June 8, 2011 has now progressed up to 200 activities till date. And one thing which I must tell you is the fact that all our members are in the 14 to 22, 23 age group. So either they are still at school, classes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or they are freshers at college. So I have told you about cleanup drives and awareness programs. Then some people of our group suggested that why are we ignoring the poverty which is prevalent in the slums of Dehradun. Many students of your age, as you might be coming to your school, you would have noticed on the sides of the road how they are living in this winter. So we started with this food distribution campaign where we used to ask our mothers to prepare some homemade food, for example, garma garam aloo ke parathe, and then we used to take those parathes to the slums and distribute them. And I can tell you one very small experience, that when we were distributing these garma garam aloo ke parathe in one of our drives around 2 years back in this very December, there was a very small girl who walked up to us. She pulled my red jacket and she told me, "Bhaiya, raat ko sote samay thand lagti hai." We did not have an answer to that question because that aloo ke parathe does not solve that chronic problem. You all and we all are all fortunate that we had such parents, we have such grooming, we have such teachers. But many of our own brothers and sisters are not so fortunate. When you indulge in some kind of social work and voluntary activity, you start valuing these small things in life. And that is how we have been progressing. So I have told you about cleanup drives and awareness campaigns. I have told you about food distribution campaigns. There is one more campaign which we very actively go around with, which is the toothbrush distribution drive. All of this, friends, works on our own pocket money contributions. So it is not that we are funded, we are not given a penny by the government or by anyone, and we don't accept it also, though there are many donors. Because then we do not want to lose what is the best thing about this group, which is its informal character. So I was about to tell you about the toothbrush distribution drive. And I can tell you a very small experience. We all over here brush, right? We have come after brushing our teeth. If you have not come, then it is very bad. But I hope we have all come here after brushing our teeth. So when we were in a slum area and were distributing toothpastes and toothbrushes, there was this very small boy called Golu who came up to us and he said that he also wants to brush today. So we were very happy, we gave him the toothpaste and the toothbrush. So he was getting nervous. So we said, what is wrong? So he did not tell us anything. He just started applying the toothpaste on the wrong side of the brush. So we understood that he does not know how to brush. So we applied it on the right side for him and we gave it to him. And then he rubbed the toothpaste on all his cheeks, on all sides of his cheeks. He might have seen people doing something like this, but he did not get the rationale of it. And he was around 6-7 years old when most of us start brushing. So we can all imagine what is the condition of our own brothers and sisters in this very Doon Valley. These were some of our voluntary activities, friends. What I can also tell you is that because we had started with MAD when we were 17, 18, though we have members lesser than that also, but now as we are entering the 20-21 age group, we have started working for permanent solutions, not just by voluntary activities. So we are at the policy level also. We now file RTIs, we stake our claim, and we make reports of all our works and give it to the government. We have made two very important reports so far. One is on the improper garbage disposal system of the city, in which we identified 16 garbage hotspots, made a report and gave it to the Chief Minister. To three Chief Ministers, Mr. Khanduri, Mr. Bahuguna and Mr. Rawat. But action has not happened. That is why we moved to RTI. Then we made an education report on the Right to Education Act. Now that act says that all students between 6 to 14 years of age will be given free education. So we made a report on that, on its applicability in Dehradun, and we gave it to the Chief Minister, but yet action is yet to happen. And I can tell you another small episode out of this Right to Education report, that when we were collecting data from a slum, where around the 40-50 kids all claimed that they all go to school. So we went there and we asked them, what is your name? This was our question in English language. What is your name? There was no answer. Okay, I will wind up very shortly. So there was one girl who got up and said, my name is Beeta. She said that in English. So we were very happy that there is one girl who knows her name and she can speak. But the very next second, her mother walked out, she pulled her hair, she slapped her and she took her inside. So friends, there are many parents who don't value education because they cannot afford it, because they are scared of the concept and we are not. So this was all about MAD, most about MAD, because it is impossible to cover MAD in 5 minutes. But I would now just like to make a humble appeal and conclude. The humble appeal which I want to make, friends, today is that MAD, whose full name is Making a Difference by Being the Difference, not Make a Difference. Make a Difference is another NGO in Bangalore city working for slum children exclusively. MAD is an activist platform on various levels. So the appeal which I want to make is that your winter vacation will start in some time. I'm at least appealing to all students above class 6, 7, 8, at least to those students. Those students who are younger, I would only appeal to you to go to your parents and ask them to value basic things like not throwing the wrapper and putting it in your pocket. You always have your pocket as the first dustbin. Use it. Please use it. So to all students above class 6, 7, 8, what I would really like to say is that MAD, the full name I've told you, is an activist group and we conduct an activity every Sunday. And in your winter vacation, you will have 3 to 4 Sundays to spare. I invite you all for a mega cleanup drive at Tapkeshwar temple, which we are planning to do, in which we are first assembling. You can note it or I can communicate it to a responsible student only, at Mahinder Ground in Cantonment area. Mahinder Ground is the name. And 21st of December is the date, which is a Sunday. 21st of December. 21st of December at 7:30 AM, we will all report there and we will go for the drive. And let me tell you that just because I have spoken about very serious things, it does not mean that this is not fun. We love doing what we are doing and we have started enjoying it more than the Sunday movie we used to go to. We go for these cleanup drives and the first comment we get is, "Padhe likhe lagte ho, kude mein haath kyun dalte ho?" And then we try to explain to them. We shoo away those who urinate on public walls. And one day we were cleaning the Tapkeshwar temple and somebody did swaha and threw some waste from above and it landed on our head. And then we all surrounded that person. And then there was reformation. There were some of those people only who joined us later. So friends, we are all students. I've already told you this is a completely students run group. I started it when I was 17 and we have got a lot of support from various quarters. We have come for the first time to your school. So 21st of December, 7:30 AM at Mahinder Ground in Cantonment area. That's all I wanted to say. You can connect with us on Facebook. We have a group, not a page, a group by the name Making a Difference. It has close to 13,000 members. You can relate to it that way. And the team comprised today of Saurabh Nautiyal, who's in the yellow sweatshirt, of Syed Manzar Imam, who's also in some greenish yellow sweatshirt, and I am Abhijay Negi. So please do stay connected. We have Facebook. We will be circulating a contact number. In case your parents want to talk to us, you can bring them along also. Thank you so much. Thank you.